in a fight for your life, right? If you ain't packing any tactics, you might get your ass kicked, even if you are a little knucklehead. I'm kinda sick of being aggravated, I'm glad I'm hated, I guess I'm doing something right. That's what happened back in Columbine. You gotta know when to stop and don't go over the top, cause there's a chamber deep inside the brain. It's covered with chains, so don't be shaking them loose. And if you do, I'll be running for the hills, cause I'm ready to rock and now I'm playing for real. I gotta fight, fight. You better watch out when my adrenaline kicks. I gotta fight, fight. It's too late, you already been in. Damn. Stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em, ha ha ha, stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em. Yeah. Stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em, ha ha ha, stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em. Yeah. This world can make you sick to your stomach, so I put on my headphones, listen to the Deftones. It's getting crowded in my spaceship, living in a dream, running from a hate machine. You know it's such a drag when there's people talking down to you. Such a drag thinking everything sucks. Do you walk away when they spit on your face, or do you draw the line just to give them a taste? Cause I know it's never gonna end. If it happens again, I'm going straight for the throat. Another note, don't forget you had a chance. Now I'm off of the sidelines and ready to dance. I gotta fight, fight. You better watch out when my adrenaline kicks. I gotta fight, fight. It's too late, you already been in. Damn. Stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em, ha ha ha, stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em. Yeah. Stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em, ha ha ha, stick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em. Yeah. If you got the guts.
A única coisa que elas têm igual é ter duas rodas.
Vai ser um enduro lá de lancha.
Caiu certinho, pelo menos.
Passa a imagem. É isso aí, vocês vão jogar pro lanche.
Come on down. And then for the barricade. Fight. 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 Get up. Get up. Fight.
Foi foda.
Get up.